Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another editing video on how I make my YouTube banners. It's really simple. I'm not really like an expert on this kind of thing. I just know how to make them look good and presentable and have your channel look presentable. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into this video. The first picture you're going to see is the banner template of like the measurements and things. And you'll see that throughout the video. I'm just using it to make sure everything is sized up correctly and all the numbers add up, and so that it's perfect for the banner. First, going into the PicsArt app, you're going to open up an image. I have this image from the LiQWYD app. You probably can also download it from Google. And I'm just going to make this image blurry because this is the main focus of my YouTube banner. So that's just what I'm doing here, and I'm going to save that image. Now going into the Phonto app, you're going to open up a blank white canvas, and you're going to custom the measurements or size to the center part of the banner, which is 2560 by 423. And then you're going to add the image that we just had from the PicsArt app, and you're just going to size it over the entire thing and then save it, because it's only going to save that little skinny portion of it, if that makes sense. So yeah, you see here I'm sizing it, and then you're going to save that image once you have it sized the way you want it. Still using the Phonto app, you're going to open up another blank white canvas, and this time the measurements are going to be 2560 by 1440, and this is going to be the overall layout for the YouTube banner. And now once you have that, you're going to open up the image that we just saved, the skinnier flower portion that I just saved. You're going to open that up. Also, I did open up the measurement thing just because I said I wanted to keep measurements, but you're going to open up that image, and then you're going to size it correctly as you're seeing in the video, and then you're going to save it. And be sure to delete the template, the banner template, before you save it, or just make sure it's not on the white part of the banner. So now making the glitter letters in the Phonto app, you're going to open up a blank black canvas. So you want to make the background black. And then you can use whatever measurements you want. It doesn't matter, just as long as your text fits on it. And then you're going to add your text and then save it. So now you're going to open up that picture in the PicsArt app, and then you're going to add your glitter layers. You can pretty much add whichever one you want, and then you're going to scroll to where it says blend, and then I use darken because I'm using a black background, so I did darken. Sometimes you have to use lighten if you're using a white background, and then you're just going to save it. So now using superimpose, you're going to open that image you just saved from PicsArt, and you're going to erase the background. This is why doing a solid background is important. That way you can just click on the color and then it completely deletes it. You can also do this in the eraser app or in PicsArt for those who have Android. And then once you're done erasing the background, you can also add a outline layer or pretty much customize it based on what you want. So now going back into the Phonto app, you're going to open up the original YouTube banner that you saved. And then you're going to start to add everything that you want to have on your banner as far as photos, logos, pictures, social media icons, subscribe buttons, what your channel is about. Like if you're doing beauty, fashion, lifestyle, if you're doing vlog, or if you're doing couples or whatever you want to do, you're just going to add all that stuff in your title. You can also add your upload schedule. I personally don't have one, so I didn't put that on there, but you can pretty much just add whatever you want on your banner. And I would just try to make sure everything fits inside that little flower thing, or you just want to make sure everything is the right size, because if you make it too big, then you won't be able to see it on your phone. My biggest thing is to make sure you can see it on a cell phone on the YouTube app, because that's going to make the difference. People really don't get on computers or watch on TV that often. So you just want to make sure everything that's really important is inside of the center where it says like iPad or cell phone. So that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share button, turn on the post notifications so you will be notified when I upload another video. I hope I explained everything in this video to where you can understand it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer. But yes, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.